Hi, ladies. How are you? I hope you're all doing well today. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell beside it, and be a part of this little family. So, guys, this video is for women that are looking for special men, these men are available and they are looking for women that will treat them well and be the partner that they want. So if you are one of those ladies that's looking for a male companion, watch this video. All right. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.
Now this one goes out to my sweetness. I like to call it look past my grill. Let's go. Ooh. 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 When I look at you, you look at my grill, and I want you looking inside. I got a cavity up on the side, and the touch of gingivitis. Won't you come closer to me, baby? You already got me right where you want me, baby. I just wanna be your man.